Well, g'day viewers, Grazer. Thanks for tuning in. Just come out to Lake Eppalock. Just come out for an after work sneaky little fish. It's just gone sort of pushing 7 o'clock, so I've got a couple of hours. Just got to come out and yeah, we might chase a few redfin, I think. And it's been a while since I've been out here, so hopefully I'll be able to track a couple down, but who knows, we might even catch a yellow belly. So anyway, stay tuned and let's hope we get onto a few. Okay, first spot. So yeah, we've just pushed into a little cove and we're going to start off by just flicking a few little soft plastics around, chasing a few reddies. So we're going to start off with these little Berkeley power baits. They're a little crawl, little 6 centimeters. And what I'm running here is I've got the new to my arsenal. It's a little spin right 7 gram jig head, but the advantage with this, it's got a little loop off the back of the head, which lets you run a stinger off the back of it without being on the hook side. So I'm hoping, if my theory is right, that's just going to stop that stinger from getting tangled up in the actual lure. So we're going to give that a whirl today. So that stinger, just running a little bit of braid off the back of it, got a nice size 4 hook on that one. Now these baits, these power baits, are not centered, so I'm just going to run a bit of the old Squidgy's X Factor on that. Yeah, just a little bit on the claws, not too much. And obviously the advantage I find with like to sort of give that a go, put a bit of scent on that. If a fish does go to take it, don't hook up. They'll get a bit of taste for it and hopefully come back and have a crack at it. So anyway, that's the theory. So we'll get that out there and yeah, let's hope we get one. Let's make sure this drag's good. It's pretty good. All right, first cast. So here we go. Let's hope it's going to be a good evening. I'm actually in quite a lot of sucklings just underneath me here. So very much just running that over the top of those and hoping a reddy's going to come up and have a go at it. I'm very deep water. Don't need to be sort of trying to locate some reddies early. I'm just sitting in about, snaggo, sitting in about 3 meters of water here. Can actually see a few fish just underneath us here. Being that sort of crawl imitation sort of yabby, sort of just giving it a few sort of rises. I'm sort of just winding that in. Just very much a very slow sort of retrieve. Find a good idea, you got an area like this. We're seeing a few on the active target, but you don't really use it that much chasing reddies. You find that they're sort of holding pretty close to the bottom, so you don't see a lot of separation on the finder. So sort of just working that semicircle, you know, sort of putting one at 2, 1, 12, 11, 10, 9, and sort of just using those casts to sort of, if you're sort of confident that you're in an area, it's just giving you a focal point with your cast, so you've sort of got some sort of plan. making sure you're not just putting that lure in the same area where you're just not going to catch anything. Well, where you're not getting a hook up. Oh, there's a touch. There's a touch. I reckon they're just holding in those. You can see the shadows from the trees. It's quite a warm day. It's not very deep here, so they're sort of just holding in the shade there. Let's see about that. Yeah. Oh yeah, just a touch in there. Oh, there's another touch. So they're obviously hiding in those shadows for a bit of protection. Oh, there we go. Oh, nearly had him. Nearly had him. Yeah, got him. Got him. There we go. First one for the evening. The fish, it's only small, but we'll take it. And as you can see, it's yeah, the stinger's done the job on that one. French fry. Okay, new spot. I think we'll just got to stay pretty shallow again. We might just work off this point. Just work shallow and then sort of work back into the deep. We'll see what we'll do. We'll stick with we'll keep going with the little banana prawn. We'll try that. See how that goes, and yeah, let's hope we'll get one soon. Oh, a couple more anyway. Oh, there's a touch. Another touch. I'm hitting that on the way down and got him. There we go. He sort of grabbed that on the way down. He's actually not a bad little reddy, that one. He's a good one. Ripper. He smashed that on the way down. They're caught up on the stinger there. He's alright. He's a good fish. It's gone a bit deeper to the shallow stuff. We're seeing plenty of fish in the shallow stuff. They're just not interested in taking the bait. Come up and have a look at it. We just sort of hit this deeper water a little bit. And anyway, we've put 2 casts in there. They seem a little bit more interested. See if we can snag another one. Obviously not as aggressive as they normally are. Get that off that snag. Oh, there's a touch. Let that drop back down. Yep. Oh. Oh, that's a touch. Oh. Yes, got him. So they hit that at the last minute. It's not a bad little reddy. Yeah, he's alright. We'll take that. Settle down. Got him on the prawn. Oh, not the prawn, the gold prod grub. There you go. He's alright. I'll take that. Yep, got him. Here we go, another nice little reddy, I'd say. Oh, I lost him last minute. Yep, got him. He's only little. Oh, he's only small. He's a fish, eh? He is a fish. Beggars can't be choosers, can they? So we're just going to try a different colour. I think it's just going to be tough. So we're going to try what they call the cameo. There we go. We'll put that out there. See how we go. Oh, there we go. We're on. We got one. Oh, it's little, but it's a fish. Oh, he's actually engulfed that right down. Anyway. Yep, we're on. It's only small. But here's our fish. Let's see if we can get this one without losing it. Yeah. And a little tacker. Geez, he's engulfed that. Yeah, fishy. Oh, it's another one. It's interesting. They're sort of last 10 minutes or so, just sort of focused on this shallow stuff and seem to be getting a few more bites now. No. Yes. Oh, yes. Geez, he's whacked that hard. Lovely. Here's a good one. Here's a ripper. Look at him. He's inhaled that. Good fish. That's more like it. As you can see, he's really, that's gone right down his throat, that one. He's more like it, he's sort of pushing that 30 centimetres. Sort of put a good 20 cast in there, so I'll just put a bit more of that on it. Just make sure I get a bit on that tail of that grub. Which is good. The last few fish, they've actually really committed. They've actually inhaled it, which is good. As they've been very tentative early in the evening. Yep, got him. Yeah, he's taken that well. He's not overly big, but he's committed. Yeah, he's not bad. Good stuff. Another one on the board. Little gulp grubs on the thing and having that little bit of scent. There you have it, guys. Good couple of hours here out at Lake Eppalock. We managed to get a dozen plus reddies, which is good. It was pretty tough early, but probably the last half hour they sort of came on. If you enjoyed the vid, give it a thumbs up. If you get to subscribe, please hit that subscribe button. Got any comments? Love to hear your thoughts, questions. Just drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for tuning in.